Okay, so I want your idea or your suggestion about this online money, and this is what I want to do. I want to start posting online money sites here on this channel, and with this online money site, they will be within 1 to 7 days, fresh links. Okay, when I say 1 to 7 days, they are website or online money site that is brand new. Okay, that has, let's say, lasted for 1 to 7 days, within that range. If it is more than 7 days, I won't be posting that online money site here. And when I post the online money site here, I have the Telegram channel below. Okay, join the Telegram channel. I'll be posting updates there. Okay, so that after we've registered the site, then you join the group, and also we all invest together. So when you invest on the site, depending on the money that you get, and with this online money site, I've studied the trend. I've studied how they really works. By 3 weeks or 3 weeks and some days, the money that you invested, so let's say you invested 1,000 Ghana cedis or $100, by 3 or 4 weeks you will get your investment back, and then the rest of the days or the month till they go away or they stop working. Okay, you will start to get money per the VIP that you bought. Okay, so if you are really into this online money site, you will really understand what I'm saying, because with this online money site, they last for like 2 months, at least 2 months or 3. So if you're going to deal with this online money site, which means that we should be very fast. And when I bring the new online money site, less than a week, then we invest 3 or 4 weeks, we get our money back with the investment we make. Then we get it back within that 3 or 4 weeks, and then the rest of the days will be our profit. You understand? So with this online money site, one thing you shouldn't is that it is very risky. You can lose your investment, okay, or you can gain profit. It's either win or lose, and most of our lives we are always taking risks. So with this one, you should just understand that it's risk that you are taking, and then nothing else. Although it's money, but when you are dealing with this online money site and then you are making money from it, you see that even online money is the best way that you can make money. Betting and those stuff will not even help you, because that one okay, I won't talk about that. But online money, there's money online, and then you can do this to make money depending on the time that you get the link. When you get the link early, you can invest, and then you can get your profit. Okay, that's why I'm saying that I'll be posting new links. So if you agree, then I should be posting those new links right here. I'll post new links in less than 1 to 7 days, within that range. Okay, fresh link, and then we start to invest on a site. So when you invest on the site, 3 or 4 weeks, we withdraw our money, we check another site again, new ones. Okay, we'll be investing just like that. And then when you invest, it's a one time. We do it for once. We don't invest and then invest and invest again. When you do it once, then we wait, we get our profit, our investment back. Then the rest of the days will be our profit for that site. Then we leave that site alone. Then we go to another site. We do that same one-time investment, only one-time investment that we are going to do. So if you agree, let me see your comments below. And also, I want us to say this to everyone watching and then on this channel, that I really thank you guys for subscribing to this channel and joining this channel. Those watching me from US, from Nigeria, from India, from like a lot of countries. Okay, I really appreciate you guys a lot for your time that you always take for watching me, and then always even liking my videos. It's very great. Thank you guys. And then let me see your suggestion about this online money, because we can really make money. So when you agree, I'll start posting videos here. I'll show you the days that the online money site has lasted, and then we can invest from there, and then we can make money. Let me see your suggestions, and then don't forget to also join the Telegram channel. Join, and then I'll also see you there. Thank guys for watching. See you again.